Living Trust Annual Maintenance Checklist. A living trust can protect everything you have built over a lifetime, but only if you take the time to keep it current and fully funded every single year. When families skip their annual review, they risk leaving newly acquired assets entirely outside the trust, which can force those assets through a costly and time-consuming probate process. In New York, statutory executor commissions begin at 5% for the first $100,000 of probate assets, a preventable expense that a properly maintained trust can help your family avoid. The first step in your annual review is to open your trust's asset schedule and go line by line, confirming that every listed property still exists and that nothing new has been left out. Real estate deeds, bank accounts, investment accounts, business interests, and high-value personal property all need to be checked for changes in ownership, value, or titling since your last review. Listing an asset on your schedule is not enough. The asset must also be legally transferred into the trust through a deed, account registration, or proper assignment document. New York law under EPTL Section 7, 1.18 provides that a lifetime trust is valid only as to assets that have actually been transferred, meaning incomplete funding can quietly undermine even a well-drafted plan. Your beneficiary designations deserve just as much attention, because retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and annuities pass directly to whoever is named on the form, entirely outside your trust. A divorce, remarriage, birth, or the death of a loved one can make an older designation dangerously outdated, sending assets to someone you no longer intended to receive them. Contingent beneficiaries should also be reviewed each year, since these are the backup recipients who receive assets when a primary beneficiary is unable to, and family circumstances can shift quickly. New York's estate tax basic exclusion amount rises to $7,350,000 for dates of death on or after January 1, 2026, making annual tax threshold reviews a critical part of your planning. The attorney team at Davies Law Firm helps families across Syracuse and Onondaga County work through each of these checklist items, from asset funding to beneficiary alignment, during a thorough annual review. Frederick P. Davies and William P. Davies are the living trust attorneys who can confirm whether your trust still reflects your current assets, beneficiaries, and trustee choices with accuracy and legal precision. Call Davies Law Firm today at 315-472-6511, located at 210 East Fayette Street, Syracuse, New York 13202, United States, to schedule your living trust annual review and keep your plan working exactly as you intended.